Good morning, everyone. So let's start with our today's session, our first part of our market views about the Wednesday. So let's look at the Nifty chart. Let me just check it whether it's working or not. Okay. Okay. So let's look at the Nifty chart over 45 minutes. As you can see that today Nifty has started open a gap up at the level of at a level of 10,328 levels, and after that it has start consolidating and again going back down to the levels of around 10,181. If Nifty starts sustaining above the levels of 10,300, then we can see the further upside to the levels of 10,432 to 10,500 levels. But if the Nifty start go consolidated and can sustain the level of 10,300, then it again moves back to the level of 10,150 to 10,130 levels. So that's what the Nifty views we can see over it. How does this view comes out? It's being very simple. As you can see in the past, the Nifty made a gap down over here, thus making up a resistance over that point of level. So that's a resistance level of the Nifty on one side, and we can see another kind of resistance level it has made in the past. So that resistance level we can see. So the Nifty, for the Nifty to cross the level of 10,000 to 10,500 level, it has to cross the level of 10,300 and 343. Then it needs to cross the level of with another resistance base over here of 10,700 to 11,000 level. These all are the resistance level from where the Nifty made a gap down, and not tonight and today. And if now onwards, if Nifty needs to break ahead, it needs to cross the level of 10,300. Right now we can see as the Nifty start consolidating from the top levels of 10,328, it is now again moving towards to the 10,150 and 10,130 levels. So that's what the Nifty views about the market in terms of technicals. As far as the RSI and MACD is concerned, it's already been on the buy side, so it's being difficult to comment over it. But yes, as far as the volume is concerned, volume is bit less. You can see, and even on the 45-minute charts, it is getting down. So MACD is also going in the negative territory, and the RSI is also moving towards in the downtrend. So all the signals are working towards the downtrend. Let's see the Nifty moves towards the end of the 10,180, and then if it sustain over there and rebound back, then it may reach against the 10,300 levels. But if it couldn't sustain to the levels of 10,180 to 160 levels, then we can see a more further downside to the level of 10,030 levels. So that was the view of the Nifty in the market ahead of the coming minute chart. And as far as the Bank Nifty is concerned, we can see the Bank Nifty has already been at the resistance level, even on the Fibonacci retracement level. That's the resistance level of 21,989 levels. Beside this, it has already been consolidating from the tops, and it has already been about to touch to the Friday's highs. So that's what the Bank Nifty is. It's very near to the touch the Friday's highs levels. So that's what we can see. The Bank Nifty is also consolidating at the 45-minute chart. Even on the 1 hour chart, we can see that RSI is moving downwards and breaks down. So we can see the Bank Nifty to come down to the very soon to the levels of 21,000. So that was the Bank Nifty views. And on the daily chart forms, we can see that on the Fibonacci retracement as well as on the MACD file, though it's showing the buying side on MACD, but RSI is at the resistance level at the overbought zone. So we can see there will be chances of moving downside ahead. So the first support levels for the Bank Nifty we can see as per the Fibonacci retracement is 20,741 levels. But on the hourly chart, we as you have already seen, the Bank Nifty is immediately going towards to the 21,000 levels. So that's what the Bank Nifty views as far as the news of concern of the technical charts one. So let's see and move ahead with the currency thing. That sounds interesting to me, but yes, currency is consolidating a very much longer period to the levels of 76 to 75 levels. So currency is being consolidating in between the levels of 76 and in the levels of 75. So that once the currency crosses the level of 76 levels, we can see the further upside to the 77 and 78 levels. But on the downside, if we can see on the technical front, if the currency crosses below the level of 75 or the 75.10, we can see that the currency USD INR will move towards the level of 74.42. It means that the rupee will appreciate once the currency takes either of the direction. So right now the currency is at the consolidation phase. We can see, let's see ahead of the 4 hours and 1 hour chart. The first 4 hours of chart, we can see on the 4 hours of chart, we can see, as we can see, we can see that the USD INR is consolidating, and this time it has already been made a support again at the 75 levels, and then rebound back and trying to again regain the levels of 75, 90 to 76 levels. So we may see the upside or the depreciation in the USD INR levels in the coming days or in the coming hours as well. So that's what the currency had. uh, Looks like the currency is moving to the uptrend. That's interesting to see. Okay, so that's what the currency moving ahead to the upside. So we can already analyze it from the market trends. Whatever the move market has taken in the past, it is repeating again in the coming days as well. It might repeat it, but to break the previous trend, the market needs to break the current levels as well. So that's what the currency views. You guys have any questions, so you guys can ask over in the chat box. I am watching the chat section over there. So if you